Go ahead, show me the puppy dance. You are now tuned in to Jump Street Kennels. And y'all had to know I was coming to y'all with another weekend, dropping another banger for y'all. Man, keep tuning in every weekend, and if y'all ain't hit that subscribe button, make sure y'all do that. It's going down right here at Jump Street Kennels. You about to see. Check me out, your boy. I would like to take this time to acknowledge all my subscribers and followers. Thank y'all. Before this video gets started, I want to show y'all a puppy that we got up here for sale. This puppy, she's a Merle female. Check her out. And around this time in this video, she's probably like, I'm gonna say, I gotta look at her paperwork and see how old she is. But this is the nice Merle female, the only one that we have for sale off of this litter. So check this out. This is not something I produce, but it is something we got for sale on the Jump Street Kennels, y'all. Hey y'all, today this video is gonna be on a Puppies on the Way, Ghost Production 3, coming soon. And we're gonna have a little footage of, I'm gonna say, some of the puppies we got for sale here on the yard at Jump Street Kennels too. So, man, stay in tune. Look at this beautiful girl. Here's the parents of the puppies that this video will be about. It would be a AI going from Shadow to my boy King Ghost. You guys seen my boy King Ghost on the channel a lot, so you guys already familiar with the star of this kennel. So you guys could just easily just check my boy out. Like you guys see, a nice thick compact boy. For those of you guys who ain't up on my boy King Ghost, go look at some of my older videos and get in tune with your boy if you're not already in tune. And these just some little short sneak peeks of how my boy coming, just to show you guys some footages of both parents. Check my boy King Ghost out. Look at her. Nice, big, and stocky, man. This is what you need. He is open for stud. 1,500 to YouTube subscribers and Instagram followers only. You gotta be both of them in order to get that. Got another one. This is the Mother Shadow. Just came. She came to us in here too. No. Check out this nice blue tri, man. Taking this baby home. Me and my boy Q Kennels about to see if we can get a breeding done. By me having a yard with mostly females, I had to leave inside the kennel to see what everybody be cool and equating with each other before I just let them go off the chain. If she passed the test with the females, then I know that she's going to pass the test with my boy King Ghost. I know it sounds backwards to do it that way, but that's just how I do. Now that it's cool that I know that no fight's going to break off, because I did the little test with them inside the gate. It's time for the off the chain. See if we can get a natural mount in. Check my boy King Ghost out. He's always ready to work. Went right to it. Even with other females on the yard running around him. They all gold chained up. Karma, leave her alone. Look, she on bullshit. She pregnant, that's all, y'all. Karma, stop. Get out. Get down. This is just Shadow just getting along well and blending in with the pack, getting to know each other. Karma, stop starting shit. As you can see, it's taking my girl Karma a lot of adjustments. I get used to Shadow, but in the end, you'll see what happens. Here's a close-up on both of the parents right before Q Kennels did the first AI. Here's me getting ready to perform my second AI. Well, my first AI on her and this would be her second AI. Okay, let's get started. We finna start off with the AI. We finna go ahead and pull some sperm from my boy. We got the bag on there. Let's get it. 15 minutes later, look how much sperm I got. Now it's time to suck the sperm out of the bag into the tube to get ready for artificial insemination, or however you say the word. I ain't the best at pronunciation, but as you can see, I'm trying to suck all of the fluid I can up into the syringe and making sure that I leave a little room for extra air right here. Look. This is how it should look when you're finished. That's a nice load. Look at this. Somebody look at this. Look at the nice load he just threw. That's why he's my #1 stud. Check him out. Putting it in there. She took me good like a champ. Like I said, it's time to suck it out, get some more air in there as well. Here's another close-up on these parents, man. Shadow, try Ghost, Merle. Try Merle's coming soon, man. Stay in tune, man. This little gonna be dropping pretty soon for y'all. We're gonna have a video coming. Been putting in the time and the work. All my gooms out. No chaos. Yep. Karma, I seen you walking up. You better stop. Let's do a 2-week progress report. Alright. Let's start off with puppy #1. Just barely opened his eyes, blue eyes. Merle. Puppy #2. My keeper so far. Female. Just opened her eyes. Puppy #3. Merle. Just opened his eyes. Go follow us on Instagram at Jump Street Kennels. Make sure y'all like and share some of our pictures and videos. Please and thank you. And if you ain't hit that subscribe button, make sure you do so right now. Go ahead, show me the puppy dog.